English version, Mathematics class 5, chapter 2, number 13. A worker earned 3,125 taka in 5 days. How many does he earn in 3 weeks? Then 5 days income 3,125 taka. Then 1 day income, let's check the worker daily income. 3,125 divided by 5 equal to 625 taka per day. Then since there are 7 days in a week, so calculate then 3 weeks. 3 weeks is 7 into 3 equal to 21 days. So total income of 3 weeks or 21 days equal to 625 into 21 equal to 13,125 taka. Answer: total income or total earning 13,125 taka. Thank you.